In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to protect a Java application with QLM. Launch the QLM Management Console, and go to the Protect Your Application tab. Select your product, and your license server. Then, select Java as the programming language. Skip the QLM License Wizard section, since the wizard is only available on Windows. Select the folder where the QLM client-side library files should be copied to, then click Save. The QLM client-side library is a set of Java classes that you need to compile with your application. For this tutorial, we will store the Java client-side library in the same folder as the sample provided with QLM. We will now review the sample application. The sample application contains two folders, one folder for the sample, and another folder for the QLM client-side library. Let's open the main application source file. The important settings that need to be customized are located at the top of the file. The URL to the QLM license server. The RSA public key used to verify the signature of the QLM license file, the product ID, major version, and minor version. You can find these values in the QLM Management Console, on the Define Products tab. You can also optionally set the Validate on Server property to True, to have the application connect to the QLM license server every time it is launched. This has the benefit of automatically applying server-side changes to the client. For example, when a subscription is extended on the server side, the client will automatically pick up the new expiry date when the server-side validation is performed. When the application starts up, the QLM license validator class is instantiated. We then call load license file, which checks for a license file on the local system. If the file is not found or if the license is not valid, an error is raised, at which point you need to prompt the user to enter an activation key. Let's now review the online activation process. When the user enters an activation key and clicks Activate, we call the QLM license.activate license function. Activate license sends the relevant information to the license server, which validates the license, generates a digitally signed license file, and returns it to the application. If the license file is valid, we store it on the end user system for subsequent usage. The next time the application runs, the license file can be loaded from the client system and validated, without having to contact the server. This completes the tutorial on how to protect a Java application. Thank you for using QLM.